In this episode, I'm going to show you how to remove Google account from all devices. Quickly navigate to your Gmail app on your phone. Then from here, locate your icon on the topmost right corner and click it. From there, proceed to manage your Google account. Then from there, locate security and click it. Scroll down to locate your devices. Under your devices, proceed to manage all devices and click it. From there, you could see your various devices that is using your Gmail account. So for instance, if we want to sign out our Windows account from our phone, we can proceed to click this icon, and then we have the sign out option here. So you can click on the sign out and you can proceed to sign out, and then okay. So now we have successfully been able to sign out our Gmail account, which was previously signed in on our PC. So you can proceed to do this to all the devices that you want to remove. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.